Hey y'all, this is Angie. Welcome back to my old country kitchen, where today we're going to be making sheet pan fried rice, and I have a recipe to share. Well, looks like Cinnamon's been working very hard in the kitchen. She's got all the ingredients measured out. She's just an amazing little girl. So here's the recipe for the sheet pan fried rice. You're going to need 4 cups of cooked rice, a tablespoon of chives, a cup of frozen peas and carrots, a tablespoon of turmeric, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 3 large eggs, beaten. The 3 eggs are in the refrigerator. We are not going to need those just yet. 4 cups of rice in the pot here. It's been sitting a while. You kind of want it to be cooled off before we mix in all of our ingredients. So you're supposed to preheat the oven for 475, but my little oven only goes to 450, but y'all may have a larger oven. And directions on the back: mix ingredients in a large bowl except eggs until rice is coated. Spread on a sheet pan and bake for about 15 minutes. Stir the rice on a sheet pan using a spatula. Pour the eggs over the rice. Continue baking for about 5 to 10 minutes. 4 servings and serve with the sweet Thai chili sauce on the side, or whatever kind of sauce you would like. So now we're just going to dump in all the ingredients, and I'm just going to put it in the pot that I cooked the rice in, or Cinnamon cooked the rice in. So we got the peas and carrots. We'll kind of stir it up. And we got some apple cider vinegar. Soy sauce. Chives. Ground turmeric. Just going to stir all this up and see what happens. And don't forget vegetable. Now let's mix this up real good. Sure, this is going to be flavorful. This smells really good. You just want to keep mixing so you get all these ingredients married together. You want the rice coated with all the ingredients. So here's the chicken egg rolls that I think will pair well with our sheet pan fried rice. And it has sweet and sour sauce, and that was some left from last time. And here's the Thai style sweet chili sauce that I'm going to have with it. So now once everything's stirred up really good, you want to spread onto a baking sheet. And I just love the colors to this. You got the yellow, the orange, the green. It smells really good. I'm not going to be able to put all this on this pan because I have a small oven. So my oven's preheated, and I'm going to go ahead and put this on in the oven. And you want to bake this for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes and it's out of the oven, so let's put some of this egg on. Let's only cooked a portion, so we're just going to put a little. We'll try not to pour too much, just enough, because this is only just a portion of rice mixture. And so now what you want to do is put this back in the oven for about 10 more minutes. Okay, after 10 more minutes in the oven, and here's what our sheet pan fried rice looks like. And I went ahead and put the egg rolls in the oven, and I decided on the rest of the mix, I'd pour the rest of the eggs in the pot and cook it. So let's taste test this sheet pan fried rice. So really I was supposed to mix this up before I put the egg on it, but it's okay. You can do it afterwards. Okay, let's try some of this. Make sure I get in the camera this time. Last time my head was partially cut off. Yeah, this looks yummy, smells yummy, and does it taste yummy? Yeah, I want to try it before I put this Thai style sweet chili sauce on it. Go ahead and give it a taste test. Mmm, that's good. But what make it even better? Spice. I love spice. Let's kick it up a notch. I won't put too much because this stuff will really kick you in the pants if you put it too much on it. Mix that up really well. Now let's give it a taste. A little bit better. I love this sauce. That really makes it better. So, sheet pan fried rice. Thank you all for joining me today, and we'll see you later.